Kejipur jangka jaga Treikam jangka Shillong Bar Association mata kemir kala penjau mat bat peniyam ya ke babun ki Nongsaid ni ki lawyer ke bapen pau ke jing Pangnud ya ke jing duno ya ke ni jaga Treikam ke bala Treikam la bun senam bat ki Treikam ru ajan man la kasngi.
There are chances where you can recover your data.
No, it's not better. Documents also are there.
PP3 yang ni. PP3 yang ni. Kadi office jam ni.
Office ng Shillong Bar Station.
Alai ba ki don ba I ka hitter na ka short circuit na ba I sula na long kumtaken. Na chokita jongi ru ki ong badang thia ki la ya mut thia no te. Kadi kata ki yo igin ba ingum tu ba reham kumne hadi nang taw la phone no ki fabricate ki la wan hadu minta tingim la ban ong ken namor ba wadai nakamanta ka short circuit na nakamanta ka ba mano ki members bala I na mano ki sula na kini kita ke tang kata he
Te bahkan no kapor but PP3 ni kum no I kum ne kalam.
ba ngatip mga bate suwa kan no
Entahlah kami ni kan.
minta la don sting kata ikin sting kata la don
Isa sana.
ngating sas nongrim ngawan mari na nongrim ken masan yo khubur tagadaw ken ma lawan chani bade la don lot kini ke fabricate ai
Kini office ka ba song ni.
oh nga bade nga song chani tangba ki kot kisla jongi file ki case record ba ro khoi la ing kat ki file jonga ngi bu hi po ka bot ke ngi bot don stai apo hi te jong ki lawyers bar khoi babu ki file ye chani la ing lot bar khoi pi hi kumne la ing lot bar khoi ka file jonga ru kan la ing lot ka wai ka case file ru case record nganum lapsu tip chu ngen le amna abe pet
PP lawyer katang you.
adai rakesh singh
Rakesh Singh.
ha
Police mo.
ha ka
Aki file ni kapno judo.
My files are there, my laptops is there, and so many documents are there, original documents are there. So it got burned, so it will be very difficult for us. So how to conduct our cases, it's like, really, I never thought it will happen like this in our court like that. We just heard and we just came here.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Laimukra.
Adukra. And you came running now.
Yes, I have to come because I came to see whether some documents are safe or what. If it's safe, then I can take it out, no? But now
it looks over.
it's already all burned. So most of the lawyers, all the lawyers' documents, laptops, everything is spoiled. Like it's burned so much that nothing is left. It's really heartbreaking. I never thought that. I never imagined in my life that it will happen like this.
How do you see the fire service? They're doing their work now.
Pardon?
The fire service, how do you see the work doing now conducted?
I just came just few minutes before, so I don't know what they are doing also. Maybe. But they are doing good only.
Are you with any hope as of now?
I am hoping that's because my documents are in the Godrej, in the PP room. So I hope because it's in a tin, no? So maybe my laptop and some documents will be safe, I think so. So I hope so my documents and my laptop will be at least in safe.
How hard will it be to retrieve your file? Maybe if it's all burned down.
That's what I'm thinking, how I will replace. Like we have to apply from the court again, and we have to take, because some of the cases I have on 28th, on 29th and all that files are still here. So that cases I cannot take up on those particular dates.
Okay. Thank you. Also sorry for your loss.
Yes, yes.